In this video, you'll learn how to build a complete professional Excel inventory dashboard with just one click. No manual setup. Everything is created and updated automatically within seconds. Now let's see how to create it step by step from start to finish. Now you have 1 year of prepared and updated inventory data in Excel. First, create a magic button. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Then choose any shape. Draw the shape on the right side of your data. Next, click on Shape Styles and select a shadow style from the last row. Now, go to the Home tab and apply white color to the text. Type your button name, one tap to Pro Dashboard. Make the text bold, center align it, and set the font size to 16. Now your button is ready. Next, open Google and type Claude AI. Click on the official website at the top. Once you log in with your Google account, you'll be taken to the Claude AI homepage. Now, copy the prompt. You can download it from the video description. Open Claude AI, paste the prompt, and press Enter. Claude AI will generate the complete VBA code for the dashboard. Once it's ready, click Download and open the downloaded file. Now copy the full VBA code. Open Excel and press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click on the Insert tab and select Module. Rename the module as Dashboard and paste the copied VBA code. If you see any errors, highlighted in red, just fix the syntax, for example, missing commas. Once the code turns green, it means it's correct. Now close the VBA editor. Right-click on your button, select Assign Macro, choose Create Inventory Dashboard, and click OK. Now see most important step. At the moment, we only have the data sheet, and there's no pivot sheet or dashboard sheet. So let's click the button and watch everything get created automatically. Wow, just look at that. Within a few seconds, the dashboard is fully ready. It has created a beautiful header, 5 key metrics, 6 professional-looking charts, and 3 useful slicers automatically. That's really powerful. Key metrics are not updating automatically. To fix this, go to the Formulas tab, click on Calculation Options, and change it from manual to automatic. Now check again. Everything will update dynamically. Next, take a look at the pivot sheet. The structure looks great. It has created 5 pivot tables with detailed data. That's it. We used Claude AI to build a powerful and professional dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.